we're good. It's another week. What are we doing this week with Lego? Let me show you. This has been on stall on no work because I'm actually waiting for some walls and tiles. As you see, I'm running out, but well, not running out. I need different colour, so that's for that. And there's a sneak peek of what it will be. This project, I showed it a little bit to you guys last week. Now if I come over here, I now have all of my plates. We have the plates, enough red to cover one of them, so I've got two of those plus a mixer, which are in that box there, and obviously a massive shout out to Mr. Aussie Brickster Paco down in Melbourne. So if you guys need some stuff off Bricklink, make sure you get it. But this was a project I was doing, but couldn't be bothered finishing it, to be honest. The streaming setup is back. So I will be streaming again. If you don't follow me, Twitch details is down the bottom. Cups. I did get 2 new cups. Let me use a drink. 2 new cups, but that might have been in the last video. And a whole bunch of goodies down in there as well. Let's move this. And I want to show you what I'm about to work on. And I want to show you what else I have that is in that bag. The gym and the CD player is gone in replace of all this mess. Now it gets dark over there because I've got both lights concentrating on what I stream, but you know, if I go that way I can lighten it up with some exposure and white balance. But anyway, let's get back to what I got here. So what it will be is I want to do a sports arena type setup. So you know, this is kind of like the street courts. Now, yeah, I have 2, but I bought 2 for a reason. 1, I'm going to set up like this. 2 actually has on the box an alternate build. If you can see that there, there's a different build. So I kind of want that to be kind of like, you know, I'm going to set it up like a full sports ground. So that'll be outside practice type court, car park and whatever. Then I have 3 courts. So this one here is 3, 4, 3, 2. So that looks like, I'm pretty sure there's a nice photo there. So that looks like that one. That's that court right there. So I've got one set there, 3, 4, 3, 2. One set there, 3, 4, 3, 2. But then I have this monster. This is the bad boy. This is the one I've been trying to get for so long, which is this one. Like I said the other day, I don't have this pattern. I'm pretty sure this is like cardboard or paper. I don't have that. And 3429, well, it's not shown in this book, but I've got something similar. Outdoor car park, outdoor stadium. I want to build a big stadium with the cool set, and then I don't know, I'll do something with these stadiums. Maybe make these 2 courts. Maybe make 1, 2, a big one. I don't know. I might even upscale this one to fit, who knows. But then, if you're into soccer as well, that's kind of like a team van. And I've got 2 soccer stadiums in there also. So when I do a display, you know, it might be outdoor basketball, stadium soccer. You know, yeah, I've got the cool basketball sets and all that, plus I've got the soccer sets, but if I'm going to display this at an upcoming show, which if you're in Melbourne in January, you know the one I'm talking about, looks like there's going to be a lot of stadium and surround builds to be made. But I'm setting up the stream, so if you do follow me on Twitch, which I'm going to build these on Twitch over the next week, so make sure, maybe 2 weeks, make sure you do follow all that kind of stuff down in the description. I'm going to set up Twitch at the show. So I will be setting up Twitch at the show. And then I might half display this and half build it on the stream, so I've got something to do for the weekend. I'm gonna run that by, yeah, I'll run that by the organisers tomorrow morning. Look at this though. Check out the dust on this stuff. That's shelf dust. That's disgusting. That will need to be cleaned for sure. Now, I've got to show you what's in the bag. Let me grab what's in the bag, trust me. You're gonna love it as much as I do. So, if I showed you this first, will that hint at what could be in the bag? Nice, fat, limited edition Batmobile. Yes! 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 I got the beast! I got the big beast! Now I just got to find time amongst all this other stuff to build it. You know it's going to be epic though, the video I make when I build that Batmobile. So make sure you subscribe because you know it's going to be good.